How do you automate complex financial strategies in DeFi without sacrificing control or trust? That's the billion-dollar question that has led to the rise of specialized decentralized automation layers. Today, we're pitting two major players against each other, the established powerhouse, Chainlink automation, and the innovative newcomer, Newton Protocol. In the world of DeFi, smart contracts are brilliant, but they can't trigger themselves. They need an external push. That's what a decentralized automation service does. It acts as a 24/7 robotic operator for your contract. Chainlink automation, the decentralized operator. Chainlink automation, formerly known as Chainlink Keepers, is an extension of Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network. Its primary goal is reliable, high-performance execution. It uses a network of secure, decentralized nodes, or keepers, to monitor smart contracts for specific conditions, like a certain time passing or a price falling below a threshold, and then automatically executes the required function. Its strengths are its proven reliability, deep integration with the wider Chainlink ecosystem, especially their market-leading data feeds, and its decentralization, which ensures there's no single point of failure. This is the industry standard for protocols needing secure, timely maintenance tasks, like triggering liquidations, settling vaults, or harvesting yield. Newton Protocol, verifiable AI agents. Now, let's look at Newton Protocol. Newton is entering the market with a fundamentally different approach, focusing on verifiable automation and AI agents. Where Chainlink handles predefined, deterministic if-this-then-that logic, Newton aims to automate intent-based and complex AI-driven financial actions, like advanced portfolio rebalancing or cross-chain trading. The core differentiator is verifiability. Newton uses a combination of zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs, and trusted execution environments, TEEs, to ensure that even complex, off-chain decisions made by an AI agent are cryptographically proven to have stayed within the user's defined boundaries. This gives users an unparalleled level of transparency and control, even when delegating tasks to a trading bot. The key differences. So, how do you choose? It comes down to two main philosophical differences. Core functionality. Chainlink is a decentralized cron job service. It automates specific, pre-coded maintenance tasks based on simple triggers. Newton is an AI-driven agent infrastructure. It automates complex, goal-oriented financial strategies with a focus on auditability. Trust model. Chainlink relies on the economic security and reputation of its decentralized node network for reliable execution. Newton adds a layer of cryptographic verification using ZKPs and TEEs, which lets you cryptographically audit even the AI's complex off-chain logic. This is what they call the first verifiable automation layer. In short, Chainlink is the tried-and-true workhorse for protocol health, while Newton is the ambitious, new-generation tool for user-level strategic finance powered by AI and transparency. Both are essential, but they serve different needs in the increasingly sophisticated DeFi landscape. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.